6478, 10,000 Alpha.
6478, clear and approach, expect LS runway 25 right approach.
LS 24 right.
7 Delta Tango, contact tower 118.3. 7 Delta Tango over to tower, seen a little. Kalamazoo Tower, Cirrus 417, Delta Tango, ILS, runway 35.
Cirrus 417, Delta Tango, Kalamazoo Tower, runway 35, clear to land.
35, clear to land, 7 Delta Tango.
Wind 300 at 15, gust 23.
$500. Minimums.
Ground 417, Delta Tango said Duncan, taxi with hotel.
Cirrus 417, Delta Tango comes ground, runway 35, taxi via Charlie, Alpha Bravo, cross runway 23, hold short of runway 27.
7 Delta Tango, runway 35 via Charlie, Alpha Bravo, cross 23, hold short 27.
Cirrus 417, Delta Tango, Kalamazoo Tower, turn right heading 060, runway 35, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 060, clear for takeoff 35, 7 Delta Tango. County Tower 417, Delta Tango, ILS 24.
Cirrus 417, Delta Tango, County Tower, runway 24, cleared to land. The wind is 270, variable 320 at 15, gusting to 30. The altimeter is 29904, and do you have the current weather from approach?
29904, affirmative, we do have the weather, 7 Delta Tango.
Roger, report runway in sight for me, and thank you.
Let's go, 7 Delta Tango.
417 Delta Tango, just a heads up, all approach lights and all runway lights are full intensity.
7 Delta Tango, roger.
Mobile 1, proceed to Alpha 1 via Alpha 5 and Alpha, a little short of runway 24 landing traffic.
7 Delta Tango, runway site.
417 Delta Tango, roger. Breaking report from the Cirrus that just landed.
County Tower, Mobile 1 is in the process of mule readings assessment. Stand by, please.